Florida's intense heat, humidity, and storms can cause serious damage to commercial buildings. That's why A1 Tropic Painting and Waterproofing specializes in commercial waterproofing Florida businesses trust. Common waterproofing issues, unchecked moisture, can lead to mold, structural damage, and costly repairs. Without proper waterproofing, your building could be at risk. The benefits of commercial waterproofing: protect your property, reduce maintenance costs, and extend the life of your building with expert waterproofing solutions. Why silicone roof coating? Florida's sun and storms demand durable protection. Silicone roof coating prevents leaks, resists UV damage, and even improves energy efficiency by reflecting heat. Signs you need waterproofing services: peeling paint, water stains, or visible cracks. These are red flags that your building needs immediate attention. Don't wait for damage to worsen. Call A1 Tropic Painting and Waterproofing today for expert waterproofing solutions.